guys, welcome to our channel, and we are gonna make a DIY organizer. So let's get started. Here, what do you need? Okay, you need a shoe box, and you need a yarn. I only picked pink because there's nothing in the store. It's just pink. So, and you need tape in case you go wrong, and you need a ruler. And you need glue. You definitely need glue. And you need scissors. And you need pencil. And you need construction paper, which is here, right there, pink and white. So let's get started. The recommended of using the recycle or the organizer. You can use it a picnic bag or a school box. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye!